In this video we will discuss about the Vivo V21 smartphone full review. What comes with Vivo V21 box? Vivo is packed with every important accessory for this smartphone. The Vivo V21 smartphone buyers will get SIM card tools, Vivo guide documentations, a back cover for this smartphone, Vivo flash charger 2.0 30 watt, USB Type-C cable, Vivo 3.5 mm headphones and a 3.5 mm dongle. All of these comes with the box. The Vivo V21 build quality. The Vivo V21 smartphone comes with a premium good looking design. The smartphone has a colorful metal glass back, glass front and plastic frame. The dimension of the Vivo V21 smartphone is 159.7 multiplied by 73.9 multiplied 7.3 mm. With this dimension, the weight of the smartphone is only 176 grams. The smartphone has a triple camera setup on the back and a water drop notch design selfie camera on the front with a dual flashlight. The build quality of the Vivo V21 is very good and impressive. It feels very comfortable. The smartphone has a hybrid SIM card slots. Design of this mobile phone. The Vivo V21 is one of the best good looking design smartphone in this price range. The design of this smartphone is really good. It is a flat square design smartphone. The Vivo V21 is an ultra slim design smartphone. The smartphone is only 7.29 mm thin and the full weight of the smartphone is 176.9. The Vivo V21 smartphone has AG metal glass understudded luxury on the back. The smartphone users will get the colors of light on the back. It's splash of vibrant colors. The back side of the smartphone has a square design, very good looking triple camera setup with a dual flashing. The bottom of the black side has the Vivo branding logo. Storage and battery capacity of Vivo V21. The Vivo V21 smartphone has only one variant of storage. The smartphone comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. The battery of this Vivo V21 has a 4000 mAh non-removable LiPo battery. The Vivo V21 smartphone sports 33-watt fast charger. It only needs 30 minutes to charge this battery 63% with this 33-watt fast charger. Display of the Vivo V21. The display of this phone is top of the line. The Vivo V21 smartphone comes with a 6.44 inches FHD plus E3 AMOLED capacitive touchscreen display. This is the 2K resolutions display. The resolutions of this Vivo V21 is 1080 multiplied by 2404 pixels. The Vivo V21 offers a 29 ratio 84.8% screens to body ratio 409 ppi density display panel with a 90 Hz fast refresh rate. Vivo offer a really bright and good display at this mid-range price. The display of this smartphone is bright enough. It has a 5000 nits type and 800 nits HBM brightness display. The contrast ratio of the display is 60 lakhs ratio 1. This is a fully display with a slim bezel on both sides, and the display has water notched designed selfie camera sensors. Operating system of the Vivo V21. The Vivo V21 smartphone comes with the FunTouch 11.1, which is based on the Android 11. The operating system FunTouch operating system 11, which has a very clean and usable interface. The entire user interface has been refurbished with flatter icons, further empty space between the visual rudiments and neutral colors. These rudiments render function operating system 11 much nearer to the traditional Android interface than ever ahead. The robustness in FunTouch operating system 11 is veritably snappy for Vivo smartphone that sports always on display AOD. Function Touch operating system 11 packs numerous options of the choose from, including empty template software optimized Vivo functions. OS 11 looks way very presentable than the other former performances. Camera of the Vivo V21. Vivo V series smartphone is known for its good camera, especially for the selfie camera. The Vivo V21 smartphone has a triple rear camera on the back. It has a 64 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro camera sensor. The smartphone has a 44 megapixel wide camera sensors with OIS on the front for the selfie camera. The smartphone has lots of features such as face detection, autofocus, LED flash, panorama, exposure compensation, ISO control, continuous shooting, high dynamic range mode, HDR, digital zoom, auto flash face detection, touch to focus and more. The Vivo V21 user can record video in 4K regulations with 30 frames per second, 1080 pixels regulations with 3060 frames per second with the rear camera, and the selfie camera can record in 4K resolutions and 1080 pixels regulations with only 30 frames per second. The smartphone offers OIS on both rear and selfie cameras. Vivo V21 smartphone has a dual flashing in front of the selfie camera. The users can take very good quality pictures in dark. The dual flashlights also can use for taking the 4K video on the night. The smartphone also has a dual video recording features. Overall, the camera of this Vivo V21 smartphone is most highlights. It's really good. The users can take good quality of pictures in any light situation with these smartphones.